Okay, something really weird just happened. We decided to watch a movie together, all the kids, and I suggested a movie, and I said, okay, everyone vote on it, and everyone raised their hands. I don't know if you live in a big family, but that, like, never happens.
Never.
Like, ever. Like, suggesting, it was the first movie we suggested. It wasn't like this was the third movie we suggested and everyone was in agreement. And even when it is the third movie and everyone's, still only a couple of people don't want it. Still a couple people don't want it. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
There's still always opposition, and they just have to suck it up and watch the movie because everyone else wants to watch it. But this time, I literally pointed at the first movie. I was like, okay, everybody raise your hand if you want this movie. And everyone put their hands up, and I was like, what the heck? It was weird, but it was kind of cool. I think that's a first. Was that a first time?
Yeah, probably.
I had that before. It was weird,
yeah.
So. Dad's making soup for supper, and I'm going to make lemon poppy seed pound cake. I don't know why, it's just what I felt like making today for some reason, so. That's a dessert, snack, I don't know. We're just gonna eat it at some point. Yeah.
Big block? How do you use that?
What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Take cheese. Toby, show them the 5-pound block of cheese. No. This 5-pound block of cheese. This 5-pound block of cheese. It's enough to bung up an army. Send that to Russia.
Where the heck is the short thing?
Levi got outside, Beth. Can you guide him back? Hey, Levy! Come back! Go get him. Grab him.
Dramatic. Ready?
Dad's washing fish again.
Dee-do, dee-do, Charlie sang as he dee-do, dee-do, down the length of one wall the stick road until at last it came. Hey y'all, so today has been a wild night. Afternoon, day, sorry, all of the above. All of the guys are going to drop Levi off at the ladies' night with my mom. And then me and Toby are gonna watch a really, really good movie tonight. I kept trying to convince him to let me watch it, and he kept on saying no. Finally, just before he went out the door, he gave in and was like, fine, set it up so we can watch it when I get back. I was like, okay. So that's great. I get to watch one of my favorite movies. I'm so excited. So that's what's been going on. Not much. So yeah. Why are you so mad, Toby?
I'm not reacting on video. This isn't a reaction
Why you
channel.
gotta be so rude?
Stupid frozen bread! We have to chop our bread after it's already been chopped.
He's having a gluten-free panic attack.
Look at that! And that!
I don't get what we're looking at.
The ugly bread.
What's the problem with
That!
Don't yell in my ear,
Ah!
freak.
I chopped the bread and after that it looks like that!
Toilet paper on a frying pan.
Did what?
Yeah, I ran out of paper towel. I decided to use toilet paper. Now there's toilet paper.
Everyone, split up! Game's on!
You want this bread, Bethany?
No. I have bread. Yeah, guys. Actually, cut me.
Show the bread. Like, in a way that
Look.
yummy.
Dead.
You didn't get my
Eat it.
heart, so I'm not dead.
Hey.
I got your heart. No, you didn't.
Eat it.
Levi. Seriously, Toby, I'm not allowed to have bread. Okay, you're dead. You have 5 minutes to heal.
You were eating bread right now.
I'm just gonna have some cheese on bread. Cheese?
No. Run! That's what it's missing. Cheese. Boom, 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 boom. You're dead. If you have one.
You gonna be mad about the cheese now, Toby?
Your pie hole. That is way too thick. It's gonna go all over the thing.
No, it's just
Cut that in half.
it's just not gonna melt.
Weapon.
Dripped on.
Yes.
Bus boogers. Bus boogers just dripped on him. That's like COVID from the bus. Hot chew. But
I'm going to collect weapons.
Oh my
hey,
god.
cut that in half for each bird. That's all gonna leap off onto the thing.
Leap. It's gonna leap. It's gonna leap, guys.
Rifle.
That was quick.
You didn't. What?
You had a shower?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Mama, you didn't shut the door.
Toby got boogered on by the bus.
I got boogity.
Boogity boogity bus.
Repairman, man. Oh my god. This is not going well.
Toby,
What? You eat it!
that is too thick.
Kind of just
Give it back.
putting it bits and pieces together.
He took mine. Dang.
It's like a puzzle.
No.
Careful.
Chocolate.
No fighting.
I want to.
Hey, easy.
No, easy. I am easy, guys.
That's disgusting.
Hey, Daddy.
What?
Got your cheese for you.
No, I'm not having that.
Why are they freeze makeup?
Repairman, man.
What? Levi! Levi! What are you doing? Why do you do that? Don't be rude. Put it back. Put it back where it goes.
He's gonna break it. Pass it over. You like it? I want.
You like it?
Put it back.
Yeah, good. You're a doggy. Good boy.
No. Put it back. No. Done. No. Stop it. No. Get your fingers out. Bethany, hide it quick.
Let's hit it.
They're all gone, Levi. You don't get to do that anymore. No.
Somebody drink it. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh.
What are you talking about?
My water in my slice.
Daddy had to wash it and put it away.
This is what I made myself for breakfast. A cheesy, little bit of cheese, vegetable omelet.
Okay.
Toby thinks it's gross, but he's the one who's putting copious
You
amounts.
mutilated our block of cheese.
What do you mean?
He mutilated our block of cheese.
Yelling for no reason.
Okay, last night I didn't update any of you guys on how the pound cake turned out, mostly because it was really late by the time it was actually finished and ready to eat. I gave some to the kids once it was cooled, and they all did not like it because I halved the sweetener and put like 0 honey in it. So it kind of tasted more like a really cakey biscuit. But just because they didn't like it didn't mean I didn't like it. I am sitting here, I ate pretty much the whole loaf. I ate pretty much the whole loaf, and now I just can't stop eating it. I'm sitting, I've already had my giant omelet, and I'm sitting here and I'm just like shoving it in my mouth and cutting, shutting my mouth, cutting, shutting my. It's not good, but it tastes really good.
The mouth feel is not right.
What?
So you heard me. The mouth feel. It's like that's what it feels like.
Right.
Now I have to eat all of it. Nobody else likes it.
What does it taste like?
You try. You want to try some?
Yeah.
How do you know what cuckoo tastes like? No. You try it.
Like it?
Yum.
I'm about to eat it all.
I guess you
I'm
have
about
one
to eat it
fan.
all. I just ate a whole loaf.
Eat a loaf.
I just ate a loaf.
Dad, tomorrow the Oilers are playing against a team. And
The Oilers suck, and I don't want to hear about them.
it's Hockey Night in Canada! For free on CBC!
Communist broadcasting.
Oh,
Yeah.
we should watch Heartland.
I just said hockey's on, Adri. Did you not hear me?
Toby, what are you looking at so intently out the window?
The water going down the window.
We're eating
Egg,
egg,
cheese,
cheese,
hummus,
hummus, bread,
hot sauce.
I mean, she was like
and bread. You and bread. Hey, you're close. Why do you keep...
Hey, Mitchie.
Whoa. That's your cheek. What? Is that your arm? Oh, that's your arm.
So last week, we went out and picked some wild edibles. There's a link to that video right here. So I brought all those wild edibles home, and that evening I washed all of them and put them in a big glass cake pan that was lined with tin foil to dry. I do have a dehydrator, which I use sometimes, but there wasn't enough wild edibles to get my whole dehydrator out from under the couch. So I just put them into the cake pan and left them on top of the toaster oven to dry. Now they're all dried, and we're gonna put them into my dry grains container for my Vitamix, and we're going to grind them into a powder and use them as a green powder in soups and smoothies and things like that. So here's how much we got. If I had dried them in the dehydrator, we probably wouldn't have these yellow bits. So some of them did go a little bit yellow as they dried, but that's okay. Overall, it's still mostly green. And so it is about a full dry greens container worth that we got. Once we grind them down, it's gonna be a lot less. So if you're gonna make your own green powder through the year, especially for a big family, you have to do this a lot of times. That's okay, we're just gonna do it when we're out, when we have some wild edibles available, and dry them and have green powder whenever we can. And if we don't have it all the time, then we'll just substitute with some moringa powder and other things we can buy.
Toby is peeling hard-boiled eggs right now. And I am having a sneezing fit, and I can't stop sneezing for some reason. I hate this. I feel like tomato.
So made her.
Dadgum, I lost it.
Dadgum, I lost it. How'd you? I found it! Alright. What's your step?
In the nose.
Hi. Okay, this is what? So, we made a, I didn't make this. My lovely wife here is making lots of yummy food, and what she made here was a soup. This is a curry soup. Madras. Our Indian viewers, you can correct me, put it in the comments. I think it's Madras curry soup. We love eating the world's food as much as possible, especially the ones that use spices and flavors instead of sugar. I do love sugar. Don't tell my wife, but I eat lots of it when she's not looking. But on the record, we love spice and real flavors, butter, creams, all the delicious things that the world has to offer. Is that it? Oh, I think that's it. She loves it.
Sure.
There goes the weeds. And it's not that kind of weeds, folks. It's the stuff the cows eat. Stuck peeling eggs.
Daddy. This just turned into like.
Dad!
What are you doing?
Put on that.
It's a bird's eye view.
What are you doing?
There you go. I think that's a cockroach.
It's a cockroach. This thing was full to the top, and now it's like maybe a half a cup. That's gonna last me like one smoothie.
What? No, it's not.
Yeah.
Don't listen to her. It's all lies.